Hi, I'm Tricia with Advanced RV. I'm here to introduce you to Charlotte and Bobby. They drove all the way from North Carolina to our facility in Willoughby, Ohio to get our new quiet air conditioning system installed in their Dodge Promaster. And here's what they have to say.
The main thing that I like about it at this point is how quiet it is. It's just the other air conditioner was, I would say, at least 3 times louder than this. It does not stick down inside of the unit as far as the other air conditioner, and it is not as high on the roof as the other. It has more opportunities to save, I think, than we had with the other one, because we've got different settings that we can put it on. We can dehumidify with it.
And being able to see the temperature just underneath it, that's very nice.
And it has remote control. I like that a lot. We're going to just leave our Dometic here and let someone else have it. You know, after listening to this thing run, I think we're going to be very, very happy with it.